This is a tissue underneath, so I have to grind something. Especially number 7, more, good. Number 6, okay, and then number 12, number 4, okay, that's good. Now back to here, that's good, I think it's good. Okay, this one, a little bit more should be okay. That's it. Okay, this is final, okay. So this is the final. View. This is after design, and then we opaque, and then still once the underneath is porcelain. I like the porcelain underneath if I can. And I can repeat more stain inside the metal. Okay, so chrome cover is opaque, and this is monolithic 3-unit bridge is getting more strength. But it is a single individual restorations. Proper opacity. I keep saying that this is a monolithic. So especially this kind of thing is really cool about site and 7-star cases. We could handle everything instead of the zirconia. Yes. Okay. And here are the contours. Of course, I have to make a little bit better contouring. And then I can make the little pink area, so super thin. And then you can get a beautiful restoration for site and 7-star cases. Very thin. Okay, it's coming up. Now after finish 12-unit site and 7-star case. And here's a 3-unit bridge and the 2 K9 and 2 laterals. This is our guidance, which is a symmetry, which is a 3 lobe, and they make these patients more muscular types. So maybe 8 and 9 symmetry. And then we're going to cement both sides. See from the facial contour from the gingiva to all the way inside the third, and then here is the lateral. So after we cement has good mobility, about teeth is hardly break the teeth and then lower chipping. The K9 is also is mono. So 2 and the contours symmetry, and then finish the product. Right, K9 to K9. So it's very thin, same thing, extremely thin, and make as lifelike as much as possible. And here is another 3 units side by side. Basically, we improved quite a bit from the original, and then subtle the tissue areas created. And it's more like natural as possible. And the doctor gave us the SAMS articulators great bite. And then we mount together. And then we check the contours, the same thing. So we made it great. Very thin. Okay, here it's very, very thin. Similar area. Okay, so now ready to cement. This after screw out. This is underneath. And we're trying to minimize the size as much as possible, but here is a little bit critical aesthetic zone, so we can extend a little bit. Otherwise, this is all porcelain, better than acrylic, better than composite. It has more resistance for stain. For 2. So this is another final prosthetics. So that was just a little more cleaning here. This is a final pure art Titan 7 star case. Like here. It's like that. Like here. So 6 unit, make a great emergence profile, right? And the linguals is very thin. This is as aesthetic as possible, it's more muscular types with this patient. So look at this. More interesting stops, 8/10 millimeter, the fascia. Amazing, right? This is ready to cement. This like that. Coming soon. Like this. Another great case. Same articulation with the bite record here. And here's the final. Amazing symmetry. This is the after finished. This is what it look like. The finals aesthetics with the occlusion contact. We give them some nice good soft bar so patient can wear it. So they can make this. So patient have this. Like this. Here's another great case, just finish it. Like here. Protected. Thanks for watching. This is if I check it. See the occlusion contact. And without screwing. So give them a really good tensile strength and there's mobility than some others. Nice soft guard. And finished it like this.